The Wolfbox i17 installation steps are as follows. Tear off the red protective film of the 3M sticker on the bracket. Select the installation location on the front windshield of the car and paste the electrostatic sticker there. Fix the i17 at the selected position and adjust to a desired angle. Reserve a section of wire for the car charger, then use a crowbar to hide the remaining part of the wire along the gap of the front windshield. Through the A-pillar. Down the door gap. Hide excess wire under the mat. The car charger connects to the car cigarette lighter port. The car charger plugs into the i17 power port and the dash cam is powered on.